Winter is here. The salt is already on the roads. I've got some new snow tires on some new wheels, which makes switching from summer tires to winter tires super easy and something you can do at home. First, if you have a wheel lock, find your lock and start taking those lug nuts off. Now that these are all loose, we can lift the vehicle off the ground on this corner and take them off the rest of the way. Also note that I have something to keep the car from rolling backwards, and I have the parking brake on. Definitely need to clean this up. Taking a look at the new hardware, it's got a warning on it. Some cars come equipped with these little washers that have locks on them. You'll want to take those off if you've got a wheel that mounts super flat against the edges of these studs. Here's our bag of new lug nuts. These are all locking. A lot of aftermarket wheels require a centering ring. This one has one. It mounts up to this flange here that's usually on the hub, sometimes on the rotor. If you remove that, lose it, try to leave it off, you're going to end up with a tire that feels out of balance even though it's perfectly balanced. Alright, looks good. Because these are brand new and they don't have any wear on them, it doesn't matter which side is which, as long as if they're directional, they face the right direction. But I do want to mark the old tires so I know where they were when they came off, so when I put them on in the summer, I can rotate them. I'm marking this one right front. Alright, now I'm going to do that same job on all the other 4 tires. It's the same process all the way around. I'll skip that and show you the results. So I think that looks pretty good. I drove around on these winter tires for a bit. It was super convenient to have winter tires that I can just bolt on and be done with. I don't have to take the car to the shop to have those put on the wheels. The downside to that is that's one less time that you're alerted to any issues that might show up on your car if you're not taking it in as often. Another downside is that you need a place to store all of your summer tires while you're not using them. A stack of 4 wheels with tires on them take up a lot of space. Make sure that after you install any wheels, you drive it around for a little bit and then recheck the torque. Your wheel may set in a little bit and then your lug nuts aren't going to be as tight as they were before. So retighten them just to be on the safe side. Now that we've tightened them down a second time, we're good to go and drive like normal. I really like the way these wheels look. I might have to paint the calipers to make them look a little better. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video.